If you like adding simple motion graphics to your videos, Filmora 15.3 just introduced a small update that can actually make your workflow much easier. The drawing tool now includes new star and polygon shapes. And more importantly, you can now convert shapes into editable paths for animation. This means you can create animated arrows, icons. You can also add a stroke to make them more engaging without needing extra design software. Let's see how it works. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed Wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Step 1. Access the drawing tool. Start by opening Filmora 15.3 and creating a new project. In the toolbar above the timeline, click on the drawing tool. You'll now see several shapes available: rectangle, arrow, ellipse, triangle, line, polygon, star. These new shapes give you more options for creating graphic elements directly inside the editor. Step 2. Create a shape. Let's start with the star shape. Click Star, then drag on the preview window to create it. Once the shape is selected, you'll see customization options on the right panel. You can adjust things like scale and position, rotation, anchor point, number of points from 3 to 10, inner radius, inner and outer corner radius, fill color and opacity. This makes it easy to design badges, highlights, or decorative elements. Step 3. Convert shape to path. Now here's the new feature. Right-click the shape on the timeline. You'll see a new option called Convert to Path. Click it. Or you can use the shortcut key Shift+P. Once you click this option, the shape is converted into an editable vector path. This means the shape becomes fully editable at the node level. Step 4. Edit path nodes. After converting the shape, you can now move and adjust the path points freely. This transforms the shape from a parametric object into a flexible vector path. One important thing to note: once converted, the original shape parameters, like points or corner radius, can no longer be edited. However, you can still undo the conversion if needed. Step 5. Add animation to the shape. Once the shape is converted to a path, you can animate it using Filmora's animation tools. Select the shape and go to the animation panel on the right side. Here you can add keyframes for position, rotation, scale. Because the shape is now a path, the motion becomes much smoother and more flexible. Step 6. Add stroke to shape. Select the shape and select the effect of your choice from the stroke presets. Or you can use any element from the element section. Then scroll down and, in the effect settings, adjust the core intensity, start opacity, and end opacity. You can even change the glow colors, adjust the glow intensity and color, and finally animate it with the trim path by using keyframes on the start and end trim path. Key benefits of the update. The updated drawing tool brings several improvements: new polygon and star shapes, quick one-click conversion to path, node-level editing for more flexibility, faster creation of motion graphics and animation paths. This bridges the gap between simple shapes and advanced path editing. With these updates, Filmora 15.3 makes it much easier to create custom graphics and animation paths directly inside the editor. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. For more Filmora 15 tutorials and video editing tips, subscribe to our channel and visit filmora.wondershare.com for templates, effects, and resources. See you in the next one.